everyone, my name is Erin and welcome to the Stitches and Scribbles channel. Today I'm going to be doing a one-day makes project and I'm going to attempt to make the viral TikTok Monstera leaf coasters that come in a little flower pot. I'll be making this today for a friend, but also I had a lot of people send me that video on TikTok, so I have a feeling that this is something that I'm going to be adding to my craft fair stock. So to get started, I am using Big Twist cotton in the color Sage and Beige. I purchased these from my local Joann, but you can use any, I think any yarn period, but I went with a cotton yarn because I thought it would kind of fit the best with what I was trying to do. Cotton yarn also for me tends to like lay a little better with more intricate designs. It lays flat by itself a little bit better, so I'm going to use cotton for these coasters. I'm also going to use a 5mm crochet hook because that's what it calls for on the yarn band. And yeah, I'm going to dive right in. My plan is to watch the video that was mentioned in the original TikTok. Unfortunately, I can't link the TikTok video itself in the description below, but I'm sure if you're anywhere in the crochet verse on TikTok, you've seen it already. But in that original TikTok video, actually, I can look at who the creator was. So the TikTok creator was strangle.georgia on TikTok, at least the one that I saw. And in the comments of her video, she mentions the exact video she used on YouTube to make the Monstera leaf. So I'm going to be following that video tutorial. I will link that video tutorial below so that you can see how to make the leaves, but I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I finished my 4 Monstera leaves. They look like this. Each one took me slightly over 10 minutes to make, not counting the first one because I was still checking the pattern with the first one and everything, but definitely under an hour to make all 4, but really like they could go in 10 minutes fairly easily. So now the next step is to make the pot. So I'm actually going to roll these up. I kind of just staggered them and then rolled them because this is how they're going to sit in the pot. And there's no pattern for the pot with the video that I have linked, so I'm going to be freehanding mine and writing it down as I go so that I can remember what I did. But I think this is the bottom of the leaves. My goal is going to be to crochet a circle that's about the same size as this like cluster and then work the pot up vertically, if that made any sense. Oh, the only change I made from the original pattern is I added a stem to mine, and I just did this by chaining 4 stitches at the end and then slip stitching back into all 4 and connecting it at the base. The reason I did this was because I thought it looked kind of funny without a stem, but also I'm thinking in the future if I sell these, I might want to attach little beads to the bottoms of the stem because it'll be inside of the pot, but then you have like color-coded beads, almost like when you do like wine charms or something like that. But I'm going to start making the pot with the beige yarn. Here is the finished coaster set. So it fits right in the little pot, and then you can pull out the coasters as you need them. So with the size pot that I made, you could definitely fit anywhere from 4 to 6 of these in there. I'm also going to show you how I rolled it up real fast. So I kind of just laid them all out on top of each other so that the points are all distant, and then I rolled it, just rolled it up, and then you can kind of poof out the leaves on the top and stick them back into the pot. So in total, I think if I wasn't writing the pattern down as I went, the pot would have taken like 15 to 20 minutes and each leaf took about 10. So if it was 40 minutes for the leaves and like 20-ish minutes for the pot, you could probably get this done in an hour, definitely within an hour and a half. And because of the cost of the yarn and the time that it took, I would probably charge $25 for this at a market. But I think this is a super cute gift. Definitely fast enough to make as a like last minute holiday or birthday present or just because present. But I think this was a super cute idea, and I'm so grateful to all the people who sent it to me on TikTok. This TikTok video definitely made it into like the non-crochet sphere because I was getting it sent to me by people who don't crochet. So definitely going to be a popular item if you're considering doing craft fairs over the summer. I would highly recommend trying this out, and maybe even trying some different leaf patterns so that you get some variety in the little plants that you create. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in following me on other social media, that information will be in the description box below this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified of all of my crafty content here on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!